guys, welcome back to another video. So today it's gonna be a very calm vlog for vlogmas. It was a rainy day, so I pretty much just stayed in, did the norms, do my bed, take a shower, and clean and stuff, really. So you guys are just gonna see like a normal chill day for Amber, but yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more of my content. Tell me if you guys like seeing calm videos like this, you know. Oh, and my lights always fall off, so like, yeah, I always have to put tape on them again. But here I am, going to take a shower. I was planning on washing my hair, so yeah, that's what I did. I washed my hair. Let me tell you girls with the curly head, a little tip. Always wash your hair with cold water. I'm telling you, it's a game changer, okay? But this is, right here is my song. Anyways, enjoy. Step to the beat of my heart. I don't know who have the feel on me. I'd rather give you the world, or we can share mine. No, I'll be the first one to give you all this attention. Baby, listen. Every day we bring the sun around. Smile for me, smile for me. Do you like my last time? Step to the beat of my heart. I don't need a lot of you. I'd rather give you the world, or we can share mine. Enough torture for you guys' ears. Anyways, now I did my skincare pretty much. Yeah, I'm doing my skincare. I think after this I pretty much ate, and then I did some work, and then I want to sleep. What? To sleep? Some work, read the Bible, and then yeah, I got ready for bed, basically. But this is me taking like the longest to do my skin routine. Believe it or not, I still get acne doing my skin routine, which is crazy. But it's really the scarring, like the scars. I just got rid of like doing my makeup every day for school, so hopefully that makes it easier for the scars to go away and not be so stubborn, because they have one less of an excuse to go away. You know what I'm saying? But praying to God every day to give me patience with the scars, because they be testing my patience. And yeah, but La Roche's been helping my skin so far. It definitely like calmed it down. And then I used the Cetaphil. I need to get a serum. That's what I need to do. I need to get a serum, because I already have like the toner and stuff. It's just the serum that I need to get, because La Roche has Ethnicity, which is very good for the scars. And yeah, and I have a protectant, yeah, for my skin. So it's just stubborn. Like, my face is very stubborn. Like, the scars is just so annoying, but I'm being patient, because it's just, this is a journey that I've never been in, and it's just new to me, so I constantly have to pray about being patient, because if it's anything that I care about, it's like my face. So it's been a journey, but I'm being faithful that it will soon go away. I'm learning like how to be like more comfortable in my scars, cause yeah, might as well get comfortable if they're just gonna stay there for more than a month, right? But anyways, that's pretty much it. But yeah. Then I did the dishes, you know, scrubbity dub. I have a question. Have you guys just ever like fed a fish some water, and then the fish started floating out of the water because it ate water, and instead of drowning, if it floated? Oh wait, that's actually dark, because when a fish floats above the water, it means that it's dead. No. Anyways, let me stop. But you know, I'm just some entertainment while you guys watch me doing the dishes. But yeah, I literally take like 20 minutes just to wash the dishes. Like Jesus Christ. But how's your day going? Comment. You guys don't be commenting. You guys just be liking my videos and don't interact. So how's your day going? Did you guys pray today? If you guys didn't pray, I have a prayer for you guys. No, not a prayer. I have a scripture for you guys down below if you didn't read the word. So go do that. Soon I'm gonna be doing prayers down below in my description where all my social media is, in case you guys didn't pray today. I'm gonna do like about any type of prayer. I'm gonna put it down below. But let me know for my next video if you guys want me to put a prayer instead of a scripture or a verse in a Bible. Cause yeah, let me know. Cause you guys be acting like the comment section is not open, babes. It's open. Like, talk to me. I reply. It's not like there's too much people that don't reply. That soon will be me. But yeah, talk to me while you can, because no, I'm kidding. If I was to ever like go super viral on YouTube, I would definitely try to reply to my supporters, because I wouldn't want to act Hollywood. Like, if I see your comment, I'm gonna just comment, because like, I don't know, why do people do that? Like, they see your comment but they don't reply. Like, okay, on Instagram, I know most of you guys come from Instagram, but Instagram, I don't be replying to messages for some of you guys, because there's so many people in my inbox that I can't even see who puts what. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time it's just like either someone's flirting with me or it's just supporters. I'll reply to supporters because I love replying to supporters. And sometimes it's just like crazy to me because my arm moving like that. Anyways, I'm right-handed, so don't do too much. Anyways, what was I saying? So yeah, like I was saying, sometimes it's like crazy to me, like the amount of like support that I get. Like it's crazy. Like since my platform has been like growing, it's just crazy to me that like people relate to my content and they're just posting me on their stories. Like it's like I don't know, like I see myself like as a normal human being, and like I'm not used to people like posting me on their stories as an influencer. Like I just find that crazy. You know what I'm saying? But like today someone made me an edit, and if you see this, thank you so much for making me an edit. I found it very cute. It was an adorable edit. Thank you. But yeah, I'm not used to people like making me edits, reposting me on their stories, cause I'm human too. Like you guys be like, oh my god, I can't believe you replied to me, da da da. But it's like at the same time, you guys have to remember, like, I'm a human too, you know? Like for me, okay, I may have like such and such followers on a certain platform, but for me 20k isn't even famous. Yes, it's a lot of followers, but it's not famous up to a point that's like everyone is gonna know your name on that platform. You get what I'm saying? But I'm grateful for having that much followers, cause it's crazy. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to all my supporters on Instagram. If you guys watching this, I am going to tell you guys to watch this. Kinda, I don't know, but yeah, thank you guys for all the support. Like it really means a lot to me. But and for my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. I hope you guys stay. Follow my platforms to keep in touch with me, and DM me if you want to speak about anything. I'm here to listen. Or tag me on any post and I'll immediately see it if I don't see your DM. But I'm gonna tell you guys a story about the time that I had the actual.
Why are you weird? Why are you this way? Why are you? What is it? Serious question? Oh, Lord. Are you storming out my house? I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop.
Bye, you guys. I hope you liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and be tuned in for the next vlogmas that's going to be posted tomorrow. That's going to be very interesting and long. Bye.